Jesteśmy w Topconie. Tomasz już robi deala. Słuchajcie, zostawiamy tam Tomasza, więc Tomasz będzie negocjował dla Was Topcona. Przejdźmy do samego systemu. Najpierw będzie po angielsku.
So between this pin here and the top pin here, you've got a sensor. So this sensor takes care of the tilt of the boom. Between this pin and this pin down here, you've got this tilt sensor that takes care of the tilt of the stick. Okay, and then you've got one sensor down here for the bucket. Between that pin and the cutting edge, that takes care of the cutting edge, the tilt of the bucket. So they all work together and they guide you in to your dig level. So inside the cab, we've got the sail. So this has got the LEDs on, so that'll guide you in, similar to your laser catchers. Yeah. Okay. So this has got your sails for the visual, and then you've got the screen on here as well, which will guide you in on centimetres. So if I was to zero that level now, and I was to move my boom up and down, then it's going to guide me in centimetres. See that? So I'm bringing my boom up there. Yep. I'm bringing my boom down, and it's going to guide me in centimetres. Notice it's referencing the middle of the bucket because the bucket is level. If the machine was rolled to the left or rolled to the right, it would automatically switch that reading to the lowest point of the bucket. So we can lock it to the left and right, so we can press to lock it into the left. So we've got a padlock. We could lock it in to the other side and it'll padlock there, or we could release it and it will automatically determine the lowest point of the bucket, which has gone back to the middle there now. If we wanted to put an offset from that level in going down, we quite simply go to the screen,
Offset,
put a 20 centimetre offset in, and that will guide us 20 centimetres down from our zero level, which we're at the moment. So that's using it without a laser. If you wanted to use it with a laser, instead of referencing the ground, you'd catch the laser beam. So that laser behind you now, so we would lift the boom up and catch the laser with using that laser catcher there.
Right.
You know, like you do with your staff, you put your detector at a certain level. Well, basically, you put that level in, you put that offset in into the machine, and then you catch the laser beam. So you'd only have to catch it the once, okay, each time you move the machine. You can slew that round. Once you've caught it, you can slew round the other direction. You don't have to be working within that catchment area of the laser. Okay?
Right. But you don't need the laser. You can work it without.
You can work it without, yeah. So if you were to level this area here now to that zero level, you could level this area, move the machine across, put your bucket on this level area that you're stuck now, reset it to zero, and then slew round and level that area. Right. The only downside to doing that is each time you move the machine, you might get a small error in referencing what you've just done. So as you go further and further away, the error will increase.
Aye, because the digger might be 20 or 30 mil higher there than it was.
Exactly, yeah. So the more accurate way is to use the rotating laser. Got that nice solid line to work to. So each time you move, referencing, catch, it only takes a couple of seconds and then you're back down to your dig level.
Więc słuchajcie, to jest dość ciekawy osprzęt. W tym momencie możemy sobie ustawić maszyny, możemy ustawić głębokość wykopu, jednak my idziemy troszeczkę dalej w Topcona 3D. Ale słuchajcie, to wszystko niebawem w Gold Cast Academy, także serdecznie Was zapraszamy.